gonna do?
Ew, our microwave's really gross. Watch the soap in the microwave.
I'm gonna do this.
Just watch. Be quiet.
It's gonna turn into a monster and eat your face.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Whoa! That is so cool.
Whoa. That is really good.
It's like a turd popping out of it.
Oh, it's really.
It's gonna blow. Whoa!
Wow.
Wow!
Smells really good.
Get your head back a little bit, buddy.
Oh.
It's gonna be fun to take a shower with.
Whoa, look at that big one! Whoa, do you see that big one?
Jeez.
Keeps going.
It's stopping! Wow.
Wow! Let me feel it. Ow.
It's not hot.
Okay. Is it cold?
Where'd the bar go?
The bar go? Which bar?
Look at that.
Can I eat it?
No, you don't eat it. It's soap.
That's crazy.
Why do you cook it? We will.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, can you do that again?
Is the bar all used up?
No, I think I still see some of it. Put it in for the rest of the 50 seconds.
I'll put it back in the microwave.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll put
Close
this
it.
part.
Close it.
Oh yeah, sure.
Finish cooking it.
Here goes again.
Whoa.
Whoa!
It's like watching a flower bloom.
It's come falling up that way right there. Like a big one. Is it cool?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
says.
Oh, I think it's done. It's starting to shrink again.
Is it gonna be hot still?
Wow.
Oh yeah.
I'm so
Oh,
excited.
It's so neat. You should feel it, Cedric. It's like a solid, but like cushy.
it is cushy, yeah. Don't feel that white burn powder right there.
Don't eat it. What are you doing?
He's smelling it.
He put it on his tongue.
He's examining it like a scientist.
It's so yeah, it smells good.
Lorelai's like, let me in there.
Do you want to smell it? Smell it.
Let her hold it. Let her hold
Let her
it.
touch it. Don't eat it. It's soap.
That part.
Soap.